Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to edit any PDF file on your laptop or PC for free without any paid software. We'll be using Google Drive and Google Docs to get it done. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Click on the Google Apps icon at the top right corner, that's the grid of dots, and then click on Google Drive. Once inside Google Drive, click the plus new button in the top left corner, then choose File Upload. Select the PDF file you want to edit from your computer. After it uploads, go back to your drive and find your PDF file. Click on the three dots next to the file name, choose Open With, then select Google Docs. The PDF will open in Google Docs and be fully editable. Now you can change text, add images, or format it however you want. When you're done, you can download it again as a PDF, and that's it. Now you know how to edit any PDF file using just your browser. No software needed. If this helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next one.